this is Gwen from Hairbow Supplies, etc. Today we're going to make a really cute hair bow, and it's really tiny, like baby tiny. And so if you ever wanted to make these really tiny hair bows for a baby, or maybe for a gift card or something, this is your hair bow that you'd like to make. And we're going to use a fork and some 1/4 inch ribbon and some scissors, and that's it. So let's get started. So what you want to do is just take your fork like this, and then take your ribbon and put it over the top of the fork like this, and have a little bit hanging over the side. Now take your ribbon and wrap it around the back, so it kind of makes this little V-shapey thing. Kind of scoot it up a little bit so there's room down here at the bottom, just like this. And then take your scissors and cut off the end. So then you take the ribbon on the top, and then you put it right through the middle of the fork. Make sure that it goes underneath this part here. So it's kind of coming through the back here, like this. Now your next step is to take the top part and put it right through the center of your tongs. Just like this, and bring it back down. So now you can see that your bow is starting to form, just like that. And you can go ahead and lay your fork down on a level surface, and then just tie your piece together. So you just fold it over just like so, and put your ribbon through the hole, and you just tie a little knot. And that's it. Make sure that you tie it nice and straight, so you're pulling so that your ribbon is nice and straight. And then once you have your knot, just make sure to pull down a little, and that will be your bow. So your bow is ready to slide off of your fork now. And get your scissors and cut on an angle. So just take your loops and push them in just like this and fluff them out, and that's it. That's how to make a really super tiny baby bow. So thank you so much for joining us, and please be sure to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, y'all.